In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Microsoft Planner Grid View. If you work with a lot of tasks in Microsoft Planner, sorting your grid view can make it much easier to scan information, organize priorities, and quickly find what you need. The process is very simple, and once you know where to click, you can sort your tasks in just a few seconds. To begin, go to your plan board in Microsoft Planner. This is the main area where your tasks are stored and managed. If you're currently viewing your tasks in the standard board layout, that's perfectly fine because that's where this process starts. Just make sure you're inside the correct plan before moving on, so you're sorting the tasks you actually want to review. Once you're on the plan board, click on Grid. This switches your view from the board layout to a more table-style layout, where tasks are displayed in rows and columns. The grid view is especially helpful when you want to work with task details in a more structured way, similar to a spreadsheet. It gives you a clearer overview of information like task names, due dates, progress, and other fields that can be sorted more easily. After the grid view opens, click the column header you want to sort by. For example, you might choose a column based on due date, task title, progress, or another available field depending on what you're trying to organize. Clicking the column header tells Planner which type of information you want to use for sorting. This is a useful step because it lets you control how the tasks are arranged based on the detail that matters most for your workflow. Next, click on Sort Descending. This will reorder the tasks in descending order for the column you selected. In general, descending means the values will be arranged from highest to lowest, newest to oldest, or later to earlier, depending on the type of data in that column. This can be especially useful when you want the most recent dates, largest values, or items later in sequence to appear first. And that's it. You've successfully sorted your Microsoft Planner grid view. If the order doesn't look the way you expected, just double check that you selected the correct column before applying the descending sort. Grid view is a great tool when you need a cleaner, more organized way to manage tasks, and sorting helps you get even more value out of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.